Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Kimmy. You might see a lot of pumpkin in the supermarket. You're not sure what else we can cook with the pumpkin. But today, I'm going to show you how to cook pumpkin with fried minced pork. I will show you all the ingredients. Let's start now. Got to cut the pumpkin. Even the small pumpkin, there's still quite a lot. And gotta be careful, the skin is really tough. With your knife or your chopper. So now we take the seed out. So all the seed out now, just give them a bit of a squash, make sure it's clear. Yeah, nice and clear now. So we're only using half. For the one dish is enough. We cut it in a little piece first. And cut it in a quite chunky. Because when you cook it, when it's cooked, the pumpkin will be kind of melted. Marinate the pork now. A pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, and half teaspoon of corn flour, and give it a good mix. And teaspoon of cooking oil, and mix them. Make it easier to separate it when we cook it. Half spring onion for the cooking, half spring onion for the decoration, and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat up a pan for 1 minute, and we put a tablespoon of cooking oil. So we add the garlic, and I let them fry like 20 seconds. Just get out the taste. Now we add the pumpkin in now. I just like to fry the pumpkin. Get a nice taste out of pumpkin when you fry it first. And that's all about a minute. Now we add it like 50 ml of water. So let them simmer. And we put the lid on. And you need to turn it to lower heat. So after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you need to open it and check it. Make sure you still got water on it, and you put back the lid on and let them simmer. So you check it out again. Alright, need more water. Put a little bit first. And you put the lid on again. Just let them simmer up to 8 minutes. So nearly cooked now. So get a little bit of water. Will be 9 minutes now. It's nearly done now. So we add a pinch of pepper and half teaspoon of light soy sauce. So we give them a good mix. So now you can see it's not much water left now, so we took them out now. We got to clean the pan, so put a tablespoon of cooking oil and add the minced pork. Again, we fry one side, and now we just need to separate them first. Add the spring onion in and keep stirring. You add a tablespoon of white wine, pinch of pepper, and the salt. And a teaspoon of light soy sauce, and you add 50 ml of the water or stock, so get doing a good mix. And now we got to put some corn flour water to make the soup, the sauce more thicker. Just 1 spoon by 1 spoon until you think that's thick. Now we're going to taste it, see how it tastes. Oh, nice. Okay, so we pour the pumpkin back again and give them a good mix. That all be done and ready for serve. Thank you for watching it. Give us a like for the video and subscribe our channel.